Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSE Department 8, RPIIT Campus Bastada Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this chat, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today system analysis and design. Introduction. System analysis describes what a system should do to meet the information needs of users. System design specifies how the system will accomplish this objective. System design consists of design activities that produce system specifications satisfying the functional requirements developed in the system analysis stage. Objectives. Describe the strategic planning process and why it is important to IT managers. Explain the purpose of mission statement. Explain the SDLC as a framework for system development and business modeling. Explain the reason for information system projects and the factors that affect such projects. Introduction. System planning task. Examine the system request, conducting investigation using SDLC and case tool to provide a framework. System development lifecycle steps. The SDLC is generally presented as an iterative sequence of 5 steps: system planning, system analysis, system design, system implementation, system operation, and supports. Information system analysis. Reason for system analysis: improved service, better performance, more information, stronger control, reduced cost. Evaluation of system request. Overview of feasibility. Feasibility study use 3 main: operational feasibility, technical feasibility, economic feasibility. Evaluation of a system request. Operational feasibility is the system a practical and effective approach. Operational feasibility depend on management and user support, user involvement in planning, impact of performance on customer and company image, reasonable schedules. Evaluation of system request. Technical feasibility. Does the organization have resources to develop, purchase and operate the system? Technical feasibility depends on technical expertise within the organization, availability of necessary equipment, hardware and software reliability, adequate performance that will meet specifications, capacity for future needs, projected growth. Evaluation of system request. Economic feasibility. Do the projected benefit outweigh the estimated cost of the development? Economic feasibility depend on cost, one time and containing cost benefit, timing of various cost and benefit, cost developing the system. Evaluation of system request. Determining the feasibility. First step is determination of feasibility. Goal is to identify non-feasible project as soon as possible. Feasibility can change over time. Non-feasible project can be resubmitted. Initially feasible project can be rejected later. Evaluation of a system request. Criteria used to evaluate system request: reduce cost, increase revenue, produce more information or better results, serve customers and organization better, reasonable time frame and lasting result. Necessary or user interface design. Focus on designing the interactions between end user and computer system. Designer input output method and the conversion of data and information between human readable and machine readable form. This is the prototyping process where working models or prototype of user interface methods are designed and modified with feedback from the end users. Element. User interface design, data design, process design. That is design system element. Data design. Focus on the design of the structure of database and files to be used by a proposed information system. Data design frequently produces a data dictionary which is catalog detailed description of the attribute of the entities about which the proposed information system need to maintain information, the relationship these entities have with each other, the specific data element, database files, record, etc., the need to be maintained for each activity. Process design. Focus on the development of software resources, the program procedure needed by the proposed information. Process design produce detailed program specification and produce needed to meet the user interface and data design specification that are developed. Meet the functional control and performance requirement developed in the analysis stage. System specification. Final design must specify what type of hardware, resource, network resource and people resource will be needed. It must specify how much resource will be convert that resource into information products. These specifications are the final product of the system design stage called system specification. Characteristic of be include in system specification, user interface specification, content, format, sequence of user interface, product and methods. Database specification, content, structure, distribution, maintenance. Software specification, the required software package of the proposed system. Specification, hardware specification, the physical and performance characteristic of the equipment and networks. Personnel specification, job description, person who will operate the system. Thank you so much for watching this video.